Hello everyone, this in this video we are going to talk on how to host a static website on S3. For this you need to log in into the AWS account and then search for S3. S3 is a storage model provided by the AWS where you can go and host your static website. And you need to, for the demonstration purpose, I am creating a new bucket with the name of riteshtalks.com. I'm keeping a default region which is selected already, Mumbai. For storing a website on the S3 you need to uncheck this box, because by default what happens that your all public access are blocked on the AWS S3 bucket, but because you are hosting a website on the S3 bucket, it should be open for the public, so you need to uncheck that. Then AWS will ask for a confirmation. You need to give a confirmation, I acknowledge, and then rest of the settings I am keeping as default. Then click on create bucket. Your bucket is created now with the name of riteshtalks.com. Go into the bucket riteshtalks.com. Now upload your code here. You need to go into the code source and let me drag all of the code. Now click on the upload. Your code will be uploaded to the S3 bucket. It will take around few seconds of time. You need to wait. Now 11 files are left. This is done. If you go to the riteshtalks.com, you can see these files are there. Then second step, you need to go into the properties and you need to enable static website hosting. You need to click on the edit and then enable host a static website, and this is the default that it will ask for index document. So you need to enter a index page. Index is you can say it's a home page, so I'm keeping as a index.html because in my source index.html is the home page, but in your case it can be home.html or some other name, but by default is a standard practice if we keep the index.html name. Error document denotes that in the case of error, you can say that if any of the errors comes into the website, it will show error.html page. So I'm keeping it as a blank as of now. Save changes. Now if you go to the properties of static website hosting, AWS will provide a URL to you. If you click on this URL, you will see this error 403 forbidden, because you need to provide one extra access on this code. So what you need to do for that, go into the permissions and click on edit bucket policy. Basically what we are doing, we are giving access, because by default access is stopped, and what we are doing, we are copying this code script. This is a JSON script and we are keeping into the policy. So what does that mean? That you are giving a public read get object that is effective. Allow means that everybody can see that, and principal is asterisk, because asterisk is a means that everybody can see that. Action S3 get object, and on which bucket you need to mention the name of your bucket, riteshtalks.com. That's it. You need to go and save changes. If you now click on properties again and click on the website URL, it is still showing access denied. So what mistake I'm doing, let me go into the permissions and check name of the riteshtalks.com. the name is correct, then why it is not taking? click on properties again. Might be it is picking from the cache. So let me go. Yeah, it was picking from cache, or sometimes it takes a few seconds to get reflected into the system. So that's how you can upload your static website into the S3. Thank you.